So we are stopping off for a bite of lunch. I know it's McDonald's, but you know what? We're gonna try it. Obrigada. McDonald's beer. Awesome. Well, goodbye McDonald's. That was done purely for taste testing, I tell you. Not that great. I'm not a fan of McDonald's anyway, but even to me it tasted different and just weird. We headed to a very small town to find a particular church that is one of the oldest buildings in Portugal. Beautiful.
Yes, gorgeous.
Beautiful church. Beautiful scenery up here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's gorgeous. Let's hope the video does it justice.
Look at the oranges here. Wow, we're at the top of the mountain here. Look at the views down there. There hardly seems to be any people anywhere, Rhonda.
Yeah.
It's like so quiet all the time. The houses, all the houses are really well kept, eh?
Yeah, very.
Like very tiny and lovely gardens.
Mills Road.
This is so narrow. If someone comes down here, we are
Watch the mirrors.
screwed. I can hardly fit this small car through. Okay, there's the church. You'll know that I'm a big fan of the program The Mystery of Oak Island, which is on the History Channel. It's believed that the Knights Templar buried a really valuable treasure on Oak Island. The Knights originated in Portugal, and this church here featured on one of the shows. This church was one of the strongholds, first strongholds of the Knights Templars in the 11th century. So it's really, really old, this place. The centre of the cross there, the circle with the dot in the middle, that symbol is found on a stone, a rock that was found on Oak Island. And it's said that these symbols carved in the rocks are the symbols of the stonemasons that actually carved and helped build this church. It looks like the church is certainly closed and is not going to be accessible, which is a shame. I really wanted to go inside this church. Really wanted to go inside and take a look at the interior. I'm actually going to try the handle. You never know, right? No, obviously it's locked. This is a cemetery next to the church where the Knights Templar were first based, and the cemetery is kept so immaculate. Every single grave has flowers on it. And there's even some above ground tombs. There's 2 or 3 ladies in there who are going to the tap, going backwards and forwards with watering cans and watering all the flowers.
When you turn a corner, you always end up missing something.
But then you get ugly apartments like that.
Yeah, and there's it.
In the middle of beautiful stuff.
The roundabout continues straight to stay on Avenida da República.
Some sort of a
N205.
church up there.
Go through the castle gates in our car. Oh wow, look at this.
It's really funny here, so if there's no crosswalk, do not dare cross. These cars don't wait for you. Those people are just gonna walk. They're not gonna look for cars coming. They got those scooter things here, Dan.
Braga, do you think we're in Braga?
Then your destination will be on the left.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Stunning.
Oh, there's old
Oh,
Glen right
right next to it. There's our hotel right there.
It's a beautiful building, and here's our hotel, Hotel Villa Gallet. Could not be closer to the centre. Beautiful location. Just got to figure out parking here. Here we are. Here's our room at the Hotel Villa Gallet in the town of Braga in northern Portugal. What we got here? Oh, separate cubicles for toilet and shower. Fridge. Got a safe. Oh, some gowns. They look cool. Nice twins together, which makes an extra large king size, we've discovered. You know, when me and Rhonda were wishing it gets cooler, and we're down at 20 degrees now, we get to this hotel and we think, oh my, I wish it was warmer so we could go in those pools. This is the Hotel Villa Gallet in Braga, town of Braga. And it is one beautiful hotel. It's really historic, the hotel. Look at the central courtyard. And all the way throughout is antique furniture. There's some antique, looks like priest's clothing. A scary model woman. There's a bar in here. Very modern. Oh, look in this room. Snooker. It's a snooker table. I really enjoy playing snooker. I wonder if Rhonda will have a game later with me. Ancient, as old as the building. A couple of window seats. Stonework's unbelievable. Oh, and here's a banquet room. Nice collection of wine. Look at the ceiling. Wow. Yeah, the Hotel Villa Gallet in Braga. It is beautiful. Ceilings are so high. The ceilings are 20 feet high. And Rhonda's sat waiting for me. Look at the staircase here. Wow. Look at the ceiling. That's beautiful. What a hotel, eh? Unbelievable. And what a location. We walk out of the hotel. We're in the main square, the very center of Old Town Braga. And there's a carnival happening. The oxes pulling the cart. Okay, the two oxes are a bit sexier than the tractor, although that is a nice tractor as far as tractors go. So we had no idea that there was a festival in Braga as well. And we just arrived at the hotel, we checked in, came out of the hotel, and crowds and crowds of people in the main square outside our hotel. And the reason is there is a festival, and part of it is a carnival. There's our hotel, quite impressive looking. When you leave a beautiful town and you go to the next town, you think, wow, it's never going to be as good as this town. And you get to the next town, and it's like, even better. There's one of the walking streets in Braga, all decorated up for today's festival. Most every town we've stayed in, when we've been there, it's been a public holiday with a festival. Oh, looks like a carnival over here, maybe. Oh, and what's happening over here? We make our way through the crowd. How was that?
Was not expecting that. Just heard all the noise from around the corner and came walking.
Yeah, the drumming's awesome. I wonder if they're going to play another one. Let's see. Oh, a little castle through the archway. What a surprise. Castles everywhere. Looks like there's a fair or a fete or something happening over here. Lots of colour. Looks like the town's fountain has been decorated just for this festival. Kids' toys for sale everywhere. Balloons, annoying noisy toys. The gardens are very nice in the town square. Who thought cactuses could look beautiful like that? Ice cream? Oh, the ice cream looks good. Oh, Rhonda, the ice cream gelato looks awesome. Designer bags for sale, Rhonda. Are they real?
No.
Ciao, Rhonda, they're there for you. They're looking for you.
They're coming for me.
Obviously, Superboc, this Portuguese beer, sponsor this event because there are little Superboc stands everywhere. See, there's one there, just behind that sign. There's one there, there's one just in front, and one right down the street. They're all selling beer. Everywhere. Okay, let's go down this way, Rhonda. And the festival, let me tell you about it, is the festival is Sao João, Saint João. And he was a little shepherd, I guess he was a saint. Protects all the livestock. This is the festival to celebrate him. Look at the statues, eh? In the square. How does this person stay so still?
I reckon he sat in a chair.
Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Not a movement anywhere. It's getting warmer now, Rhonda.
Yeah, I was just going to turn around and say to you, isn't it weird how when it rains here, you only get like a minute of it and it's gone?
And then it warms up. It's a grand building. And so is this one next door. Oh, it's a theatre. And even in a beautiful town like Braga, there's some not so beautiful buildings. This is a royal palace, believe it or not. decided to take dinner in the restaurant. Well, in the restaurant in a hotel. So I was going to head to the restaurant now. Isn't it amazing? I feel like I'm walking through a castle.
Yeah.
I can eat some medieval food in the castle. I'm just going to get a whole boar at the table, rip its leg off and chow down on it.
Ciao.
Beautiful, isn't it? Beautiful.
Beautiful.
How nice was that?
How quick was that?
Look at that nice table setting.
It's beautiful.
So, the menus are online, so I'm just going to scan this and then let's have a look at the menu.
That sound is like music.
Yes, very nice music.
Very nice, yeah, good. Yeah, Rhonda will like that.
Yay.
How delightful.
How lovely was that? That's all the olives you get? We've been spoiled lately.
Bread looks even tastier. And you're sat looking at an 800-year-old building and having your dinner right there. And look what we have to dip.
Look at that. They just brought this tiny little salad out. It's like a Capri salad. Okay.
Thank you. Oh, that's excellent. Beautiful.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So that green soup, we had before, obviously not quite as posh because he's just poured it out of a, like a gravy boat, and I'm sorry I missed before. I was kind of daydreaming when they brought the food. What is this? The portobello mushroom.
Portobello mushroom with egg and some kind of risotto underneath.
Beautiful.
Fish.
Fish.
Octopus.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Thank you. Oh, they did a beautiful job with my custom order. That looks a little much, but mine looks gorgeous. Mine smells amazing.
And here is roasted octopus.